In design to code could be intensified cooperation between process designers and code engineers in the conceptual stage of plan project. Better informed decision can be made on the economic behavior of plan project. To success in the challenging times, chemical process industries, CPA companies, among others, need to be able to identify economically viable project as early in the design process as possible. There will be minimizing time on the money spent on potentially on profile and the others in order to remain competitive and maximize business performance. Optimal process design must therefore be identified quickly with minimum risks or rework because design change further in the project deployment still could come at the expense of high inherent cost and the more effort. Process design cause the challenge of quickly identifying optimum process design reflects onto very different disciplines involved in the project. On one side, there are the process designers responsible for process optimization in terms of throughput rate, process yield, and product purity. They must also take into code factors such as reliability, behavioral space, and the safety concerns. Fostering communication in the companies, the engineers discipline that are involved in realizing projects such as process mechanical and code engineer are segregating. This is often done to increases effectiveness with each discipline, but usually lead to reducing in interdepartmental cooperation sites. The change of information then to follow on over their principle where personnel from different disciplines are now fully aware of each other's concerns and priorities. Evaluating alternative scenarios in order to determine the required information that should be transferred between the process design and code engineer groups. It is important to understand the cost estimating methodology that is commonly applied during the conceptual and fit phase of the project. Object-oriented estimating based on data from previously executing projects. It is possible to identify characteristics values from two projects. Characteristics values are metric used for object-oriented estimating in order to determine the expected project quantities without having to involve and for the syncing to determine dense quantities. multidisciplinary approach, getting good insight into the cause in implication of process designs is not the only advantage of the link between process and cause engineers tools, because process engineers can almost directly see the cause impacting of change in the process designs. Their cause awareness will improve. CPA components should try to make better design decisions early into the project deployment stage. To achieve this, go early insight into the technical as well as the economic viable of the project during the conceptual and fit passes in required. Recent software deployment allow for a deep interaction between process design and cause engineer software, making it possible to compare design alternatives and choose two most profitable solutions. Good night.